we talked about the cybersecurity attack trends, and they're definitely not going down. And year after year, they keep going up. And it's unfortunately not a scenario of if there's some kind of an attack attempt, but more of when.
Yeah.
What simple things at a high level can companies do to help mitigate that risk?
It's simple to say and talk about it. It is really tough to execute because security is always at the crossroads of convenience. And on this teeter-totter, usually more security means less convenience. And if there's a squeaky wheel in an organization, sometimes that gets the grease. And if whoever is responsible for security doesn't have the credibility or the rapport built up to have a really challenging conversation, more times than not, we see whoever's responsible for the IT security piece giving in to the request at the detriment or at increasing risk to the organization. So they'll relax the security settings, or out of the gate, almost everyone uses Microsoft 365. And out of the gate, the security settings are adequate at best, because if Microsoft, which they're fully capable of, turns the dial and makes the environment more secure, they take on more support requests from the end users, millions and millions of end users saying that this is difficult, or I had too many clicks on my phone in order to get my email and I just wanted to answer an email. So they make the security, they're constantly changing the security landscape because they're trying to find the sweet spot, but they have not figured it out, and there's a long ways to go. So there's a lot of conversations just on the methodology of what an organization would subscribe to, from how secure are we and what are we willing to compromise on from a convenience standpoint.
I think one of the big things that organizations have to get comfortable with is, historically speaking, a lot of the value of a business was in physical assets and intellectual property. So buildings, documents, papers, and all the things. But in today's world, the value of a business oftentimes is in a digital format. And if you don't take the strategy and the security of that digital property seriously and have a security first mindset, and then design a network with a professional who understands a security first approach, then essentially you're putting the whole business at risk. And that's what happens in these kind of situations where you have drives that fail or servers that go down, you have data that's lost or compromised in a security environment, whatever it may be. Because of those situations, the business ends up burning hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars in lost productivity or lost data, intellectual property, because they didn't think first, like, my number one asset after my people is my digital property. And so to answer your question on what businesses should do is, as a senior leadership team, they should evaluate what their digital asset values are, make sure that they have the right insurances in place, but also obviously to develop a strategy to properly support those very valuable resources to ensure that they've got the right partner, the right solutions, the right approach, the right monitoring, the right testing to ensure that the environment is stable and is recoverable.